India's Financial Intelligence Unit is scrutinizing approximately 20 export houses for suspected trade-based money laundering activities involving Pakistan via the UAE. The investigation focuses on transactions where goods like low-quality jewelry, semi-precious stones, beauty products, dry fruits, and electrical items were over-invoiced, and unusually high agency commissions were paid to UAE-based intermediaries. In some cases, payments to agents exceeded the total consignment value, raising concerns about the legitimacy of these transactions. This probe aligns with India's broader strategy to combat illicit financial flows and enhance trade security. The government is advocating for Pakistan's re-inclusion on the Financial Action Task Force grey list, citing non-compliance with anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing regulations. This enhanced vigilance has gained momentum following Operation Sindoor, a major military success that underscored India's strength in national security and self-reliance. The operation not only demonstrated the effectiveness of domestically manufactured defense systems but also prompted a broader tightening of internal and external security mechanisms, including financial surveillance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized that the operation served as a turning point in reinforcing India's zero-tolerance stance on terrorism and illicit networks. To further secure trade channels, India is focusing on strengthening customs enforcement, enhancing financial intelligence sharing, and promoting the use of digital payment systems to reduce vulnerabilities in trade transactions. These measures aim to prevent the misuse of trade routes for illicit activities and reinforce India's position against financial crimes. Collectively, these efforts underscore India's proactive approach to safeguarding its economic and national security interests.